Welcome to my permaculture project, Philosophic Garden of Platon. It's completely an off-grid project, and here where the electricity magic begins. The 4 solar panels by Trina. Here is the specification, which I'm not going to delve deeply into right now. And what I'd like to pay attention to is mounting the wooden structure, which I used for it just some bars and boards. No special steel or aluminum bars, just some screws. Well, not so hard job as it may seem. But you may ask me, why haven't you used my roof slope for such a purpose? Well, the answer basically is there are 2 reasons. Productivity is among them. To maximize the productivity of your solar panels, you must orientate them strictly to the south. And even if your roof, unlike mine, has such directly southwards looking slope, there is another reason not to do so, and it's service. You have to clean snow in the winter, preferably as it falls, and the higher your solar panels are mounted, the higher you have to climb the ladder. Beyond the inconvenience, this could be a bit risky in the winter. Here we go on to the tech room, where all the equipment is. Here we have an off-grid inverter, 3.2 kilowatt, 24 volts, assembled by my eco-villager fellow. Let's look what's inside. Well, some wiring mess, of course, some PCBs, controllers, LED lights, and even air cooler. Well, I don't understand in all that stuff pretty much. What else? Ferrum PO4 batteries, battery block, also assembled by that guy. 140 ampere hours capacity. And there is one more battery block, this time purchased online, because at the time of the extension that guy hasn't produced battery blocks of his assembly anymore. Well, and there is of course some controlling device to adjust the parameters of your system. Basically, it's all the system of production. Now we proceed to consumption, because currently I live alone, and this fridge, not too big and not too small, is well enough for me. But I believe even for a family of 3 or 4, this could be also enough. Depends on how lean is your consumption. This is my induction cooker, 2-tap. I use it except late autumn and winter, when the days are not so long. But I have cooking furnace, an oven, and heating oven, and also water heating. There is such function in it. It's a multifunctional furnace, but this will be the next part of my energy series. Now I also have water supply powered by water pressure electric pump, and I have laptop, and of course some lighting bulbs, LED lighting bulbs, and a laundry machine. It's A++, 5 kilograms volume, well enough for a family of 3 or even 4, I believe. In summer, there is an excessive energy production, power production, which can be used also for boiling, water boiling in the summer, and it can be used for watering plants, etc. It depends. It goes beyond charging the batteries. So it's a separate function. You can connect boiler tank there, but most of the year I don't need it because hot water tank is integrated into the heating system, which will be the next video.